guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today we are going to be creating 3 looks with the latest palette from Nomad Cosmetics. I love flamingos. I'm obsessed with flamingos. So when I saw they were dropping this, I was like, yes, I knew I had to have it. And thank you so much to Felicia and Auntie, the owners of Nomad Cosmetics, for sending me this in PR because I'm super excited. Like, you don't know how much I'm obsessed with flamingos. This is their new Keys Beachy and Peachy palette. This is going to be an 18 pan palette. Definitely a colorful palette, super beach themed. You're going to be getting mattes, specialty shadows in here, amazing shimmers. This palette is going to drop on Monday. Over here in Texas, it's going to be Monday, June 24th at 11 p.m. CST. For those of you on the East Coast, it'll actually be June 25th at 12:01 a.m. And my affiliate code Steff10 will save you 10% off of your order. I am so excited about this one. You guys know I love colorful makeup. This is definitely speaking to me. The cover art is aces. Like, it's just getting an automatic at least 1 thumbs up because of the cover art and how much I love flamingos. Another thing that I want to point out, and this is something that Nomad Cosmetics does with every single release, they always donate a portion of the proceeds that they get from the particular palette or collection to a cause that is local to where the palette is representing. In this case, it's the Florida Keys, and the cause is the Dolphin Research Center. I love that. I love that Nomad is always thinking of others and they're always giving back with each new release. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me just welcome all of you. Hello, my name is Steff. I love trying out new makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes. You're going to get 3 from me today. I do get ready with me style of videos, haul videos. If that sounds great to you, please come join us and be part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you are as excited about this new palette from Nomad Cosmetics as I am, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up before you go. As usual, check the description box for links, codes to everything that I'm going to be wearing. Some of those links and codes are obviously going to be affiliate. So if you do shop through them, if you do use one of my codes, thank you so much for helping me support this channel. Let's get started with the first look using the Nomad Cosmetics Keys Beachy and Peachy palette. If you guys want to see how this palette is going to perform, keep on watching. All right, now I've already primed my eyelids with the Alter Ego eyeshadow primer. I do have a code with them as well, and it is Steff10, just like Nomad Cosmetics, and it does save you 10% off of your order. Where are we going to begin with this palette? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Well, green. That's an obvious. I think we're going to start with green. I'm going to start with this one, with Key Lime Thyme. Oh, I thought I was going to say Key Lime Pie, but that sounds good right about now. I'm taking the shade on a Sigma E25 Max, and I'm going to focus this in the crease. Okay, I think we got some good payoff there. Using the same brush, I'm just going to flip it over. I think I'm going to dive into this beautiful blue shade right here. This one is called Overseas Highway. And I'm going to place that right here on the lid and just flick it outwards. This is going to be a palette that you could easily do all matte looks with. Or you could just use 2 shadows and call it a day. Now I'm going to add a little bit more of the green. And I think I'm gonna keep it like this. I don't think there's a need to like deepen up the outer corner. Oh, I did get some fallout there. Just kind of wipe that off. But I'm gonna go in with a shimmer shadow next. And I think this one is really speaking to me right here. This one is called Paradise Found. And I'm just gonna pick it up with my finger. Ooh, it feels so creamy. Oh, that is beautiful. That looks like the Caribbean Sea. Just gonna touch up the blue a little bit, the matte blue, before I move down to the lower lash line. I love that. All right, for the lower lash line, let's do the yellow. Let's do this one. This one is called Far From Normal. And I'm taking this shade on a Rephr 26. That is so pretty. I think I have a yellow eyeliner that's gonna match this too for the waterline. Oh, I love that. So simple, so easy. Mm, that's summer. That's pure summer. For the inner corner, I think I'm gonna use this gold shimmer right here. This one is called Conch Republic. And I am gonna spray the brush just so that we can get extra payoff from it. Perfect. Let me hop off camera to take care of the finishing touches. I will be right back to show you this completed look number one. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number one. I went in with a Shop Miss A Artista eyeliner in the shade blue for the top lash line. For the lower waterline, I don't know if this one is still available, but it's from Wet n Wild. It was part of their Little Twin Stars collection. And I thought like it being a shimmer metallic would just make this whole look a little extra special. And then I also used the Wet n Wild, their latest mascara. This is a So Defined mascara, and I love this. Quick and easy, beachy look, summer themed, loving it. Let's move on to the left eye and we'll start working on look number two. Okay, so for look number two, I'm really feeling like these red orange shades. And I think they would pair, oh, here's a lighter orange too, and another lighter one. I'm gonna do kind of like a monochromatic look on top, and then we'll play it up with something different on the lower lash line. So I'm gonna start with this one. This one is called Isla Morada. And then we're gonna go in with Shipwreck Trail and then Sunset Celebration. And I'm starting off with the Sigma EO3. And I'm just gonna even take this all the way up to the brow bone, right underneath the brow. This is such a light shade. It's like a flesh tone shade. So a shade like this, you could use it almost as a base or to even clean up any mistakes. Did I say Sigma? I meant Singe. That was a Singe EO3, not a Sigma. Now I'm going to use another Singe beauty brush, and this is the EO2, and this is going to be for Shipwreck Trail. And I'll put this in the crease. I think that if you were to lay down a white base with these, you could really get them to pop even more, because I'm noticing some are kind of like pastel colors, but then there's still medium tone shades in here, which I love. And then I see a really dark purple, a deep purple, so that's always nice. There is no matte white, there is no matte black or matte brown, which is totally fine. We have plenty of those, right, in our other palettes. Okay, love it. Now I'm going to go in with that bright red orange. This one is called Sunset Celebration, and I'm using the same Singe Beauty brush. We'll focus that out here. All right, I am loving that. Really, really cool. Now we're gonna go into the shade right here. This one's called Rum Runner. I'm taking Rum Runner on a Morphe M709, and I did spray the brush. Taking that a little into the crease as well. Now, I think I'm going to pick up a little bit of this shade down here called Dry Tortugas with my finger. Oh man, these feel so creamy. I'm going to add a little bit of that right there in the center, kind of more towards the outer corner. Yeah, I like that. That looks really cool. For the lower lash line, I think I want to do this bright blue here. This one is called Sea Meets Sky. And I'm using a Rephr 03. Now I'm going to go in with this shade here. This one is called Close to Perfect. Same brush. Ooh, this like minty shade with the orange is so pretty. I almost did that color combination yesterday when I was getting my nails done, but I went with a little more neutral color combination since I had that bright green on for a while. But yeah, that is a really nice color combination. Got a little bit of fallout, but I can take care of that. I don't think I'm going to do a shimmer on the lower lash line or in the inner corner. I like that pop of blue. So let me take care of the finishing touches off camera and I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 2. All right, guys, so here's the completed look number 2. I went in with some Juvia's Place liquid eyeliner for the top lash line. For the lower waterline, I used a ColourPop cream gel liner. This one is in the shade Prance. And then, of course, the same Wet n Wild mascara. I goofed a little bit right there with the mascara, but I think I'll remove this eye look since, yeah, I don't like how that looks. But other than that, I love both of these looks. These are so colorful, so fun. I'm having a good time with this new Nomad Keys. What is it called? Beachy and Peachy palette. Let me go take some quick pictures and I'll be right back and we'll start working on the third and final look. All right, guys, let's start working on look number 3. I really want to use this purple here. Let's see. I don't see a lighter purple, but I do see this really pretty yellow that I can start off with. This one is called Sunrise Salute. I've already used this other yellow. So yeah, I think I'm going to start here, and then I think I'm just going to work my way into that Key West shade. I think that would look really nice. And I'm using my Game Beauty E01 to apply. That's a nice pastel yellow. I'm going to bring that close to the brow up here, kind of give it a little highlight effect. Now I'm taking the shade Key West on a Sigma E25. You'll notice I'm starting on the lid and then I'm just going to work outwards and blend into the crease a bit. All right, I think that looks pretty cool. I like the purple and yellow together. Not so much worried about this part. I really didn't focus on that part, and we're gonna put a shimmer there anyway. So I think I wanna do this really nice green shimmer down here. This one is called Southernmost Point. And I'm using my damp Morphe M124 to apply. Adding a little bit more of the purple. And now I'm going to go in with more of the matte yellow. Now I think I'm going to add some of this yellow. I know I've used this one already, but I think it would tie in really nicely with the look. And this is Conch Republic. Using my damp Morphe M124 to apply. Now the only matte shade I haven't used is this one right here, so I guess I'm going to use it. This one is called Marathon. I'm going in with a Rephr 26. Now I'm going to do a little bit of that yellow shimmer down here as well. And with that, guys, I think this is a completed look. Let me go ahead and take care of the finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 3. All right, guys, so here's the completed look number 3. I really like the way this look turned out. That blue on the lower lash line really makes the look pop. I used a KVD gel eyeliner in the shade Roxy Purple for the top lash line. And for the lower waterline, I went in with another ColourPop cream gel liner. This one is in the shade Crystal Crush. And of course, the same mascara. I had such a good time. I think I got to use almost every single shade that was in this palette. But let me go ahead, count them up. And that way I can wrap up today's video and I'll share with you guys my final thoughts. Okay, guys, so in looking at the 18 shadows, there was only 2 that I didn't get to use. So I used 16 out of 18, and one of them was this shimmer right here, and the other one was this shimmer over here. Was it that shimmer? Yeah, I used this one. Or did I use this one right now for this last look? Ooh, no, I used the green. Never mind. I used the green. So yeah, just 2 shades. That's not bad. This is such a pretty palette. This is such a fun summertime beach time palette. And I think if you live already in the Florida Keys, or maybe that's just a place where you go vacation every summer with your family, I would take this along for the ride. I think this is just so pretty. I haven't been yet to the Florida Keys, but it's definitely on my list. And if there's flamingos there, sign me up because I'm ready to go. I think I'm going to be taking this palette with me when I leave in a few days on vacation. I'm going to the Cayman Islands, not too far from the Florida Keys. So I think Nomad Cosmetics has another winner on their hands. Automatically, this was already 1 thumbs up because of the cover art. Now the palette performs so well, so it's definitely getting 2 thumbs up for me. Remember that this palette is going to drop on Monday, June 24th at 11 p.m. CST. If you're on the East Coast, it's going to be June the 25th at 12 a.m. EST. My affiliate code Steff10 will save you 10% off of your order. I had a good time with this one, guys. I think you will too. Let me know which look was your favorite. Are you team 1, 2, 3, none, all? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.